Hey guys, welcome back to Plaid Week Day 4. Today we're going to be doing a Dollar Tree DIY. I am calling this my Plaid Wreath Charms. I'm so in love with this. It has to be in my top 3 favorite Dollar Tree DIYs I've ever done. But you know what? First, let's just start off with the materials that you're going to need. So I bought one roll of this garland at Dollar Tree, one roll, and I made so many of these little mini wreaths and I still had leftover material. I think you can probably, depending on how big you make your wreath and if you double layer them like I'm doing here, you could get quite a couple of these little mini wreaths out of one single dollar. But basically I decided to roll it twice and then I cut it wherever I just thought that I liked the size, the dimension of the circle for the wreath. And then I didn't even use any hot glue or anything to secure it because it has a wire trim inside of it or whatever, and I just like looped it around itself to secure it and it was just fine. And then I did use plaid ribbon that I already had on hand, so it made this even less inexpensive. But Dollar Tree has plaid ribbon. They have all kinds of ribbon at Dollar Tree, but if you have any other kind of ribbon laying around, go for it. That's what I did. I picked out this plaid one. I thought it was really beautiful, and I'm showing you very slowly how I'm wrapping the ribbon around the wreath. I looped it underneath and then I looped it across, under, and then back through the loop that was going across the ribbon. So I'm going to show it to you guys a second time, but I did do it as slowly as I could for you guys. You can definitely pause or, you know, go back, rewind to see how I did it, but there's all kinds of different ways. You could just simply, you know, you don't even have to do the fancy loop. You could just put your ribbon underneath and then you can just tie it to wherever you'd like. So I'm showing you again. This time I actually double wrapped it around the wreath and then I looped the ribbon across, and then we're going to go underneath the wreath and then up and through the loop that we just put across the ribbon that was going vertical. And that's pretty much it, you guys, and this is why I'm calling this my Dollar Tree Charms, and you're going to see all the different places and spots that I picked out for this. But one more thing, I do want to show you guys that for some of my little mini wreaths charms, I added a bow to it. Not all of them I did this, but I wanted you guys to see what it would look like with a cute little bow. I thought it would just be easiest to tie my own bow and then secure it with some hot glue. So that was just my little way of bypassing any complexity, because I'm not really good at like looping and tying things. Now the best part, figuring out where my charms are going to go. And the reason why I started this video was because I wanted to do something with my lamps and I wanted a cute lamp charm, and that's how this whole thing was born. And so voila, I just secured it to the back of the lamp, not too tightly because I want to be able to obviously undo the ribbon neatly and put it away when Christmas time is over. But as you can see, you can make your wreath as big or small as you want. And I've never decorated my lamp before, so I absolutely love this. The next location for another one of my wreath charms, and this one, as you can see, has the one with the bow on it, is just simply a chair. Obviously my chair was really great for this because it had the ability for me to like loop it through, but you could always just use some sort of like, they had these little glue dots at Dollar Tree, and you could just secure a glue dot to the back of your ribbon to pin it to the back of your chair if that's how you want to do it without damaging the chair at all. And you can make one of these for every chair that you have, and it's just a really fun festive way to add some charm to your chairs. The next place is lanterns. Why not decorate a lantern? I've actually decorated lanterns in the past for fall and Christmas, but I'm loving this whole route of adding my little wreath charm. I think it's so beautiful, and it's another one of my ideas. I will say before we get to the last location, please comment down below and let me know where you would put your charm at. Another great idea would be kitchen cabinets. I am going to eventually do that next year with this method, so I'm super excited. It was very inexpensive. It cost me $1. And I made a bunch of these little charms. So comment down below, let me know where you would add these. But you could also add them to your dressers, like you could just hang them from a knob. It doesn't have to be in the most perfect place. It could just be very sporadic and random and it would look really cute. The last place is going to be this ladder. I actually had plaid scarves on here. I removed them and put this little wreath, and I think it's perfection. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please give this video a thumbs up, and I'm going to see you for Plaid Week Day 5.